Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So the reason for our video today is because we have a dead battery in a Corvette outside. Due to the coronavirus, we've been quarantined in, so we haven't really been able to drive around. But momentarily, we are going to start it up. Over the past few weeks, we were looking into a jump starter, portable one, in case of emergencies. And matter of fact, a bunch of companies actually reached out to us via email. They wanted us to use their products. One of them was for lights, but unfortunately, that's really better for like pickups. We really can't do anything with that. But oddly enough, we did get an email from a company called Imazing or Imazing. It's spelled IMAZING. It's a jump starter. It's 2500 amp. Actually, at the end of this video, or you could click the link below, I'll give you all the specifications and the contents that was in the packaging. I'm gonna open this up and see what's in it. And then afterwards, I'm gonna take you outside and we're gonna start this car up. Okay, so it looks like it comes in this little bag. It's actually really nice. Let's unzip. So it comes with the manual. Here we have a USB cord as well. It comes with the jump starter cables and the clamps. Wow, this is actually really heavy. This is the host, if you need to charge your phone in case of an emergency as well. If you don't have a USB in your car, if you have an old Corvette, whichever one, whatever car actually you have. And actually I'm gonna open up the manual as well. And in the manual, so it comes with this, pretty simple. And on the back, it also talks about general safety instruction, and we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna try it out. The model number for this jump starter and power bank is IM29, and here on the manual, it actually states that the jump starter is a device that serves as an emergency starting source for cars with 12-volt battery. This came with it as well. Oh, this is cool. It's actually got, I don't know if you can see, but it's got a light right here. And then this is where the two outputs for the USB come. So, see if it does come charged. I'm gonna just press the button, and believe it or not, it does. 98%, and you could see the light. It's a pretty bright light. But also, I noticed that it does have like a flashing light, and that could actually be used for your safety. One thing in the manual that it does state is the notice that it does tell you, with all the instructions, but it does say you must disconnect the jump starter within 30 seconds after starting, otherwise it could be damaged. So it's definitely important to pay attention to the things that they say on here. I'm gonna turn it on again, and I'm gonna plug this into the USB. Now, this USB goes into an Android phone, so you could see it started charging. If you don't have an Android, you can use an iPhone USB, and it will charge both your phones. Really simple charging.
Sure.
So I'm gonna put this down over here. On your key, you'll find a little button right there. Push that button, key comes right out. Underneath your car, there's going to be a hole for the key. You can turn the key this way, and you're going to hear that pop. Inside right here, you just pull the string. Car door opens, and that's how you get in your car. Okay, let's jump start the car. Okay, so your battery is over here. You're gonna pull this back. Remove the styrofoam. And there's your battery. So your positive is here, the red one, and the negative is the other one. I'm gonna take the cover off to make it a little bit easier. You don't really have to. So the red is the positive, and this is the negative. Took the cables out, and I'm gonna take the charger out. It only goes in one way. Once that's in, okay, I'm gonna put the cables on first just so that they don't touch each other. So, red on red and black on black. Then you're gonna take your charger where it says start engine. Only goes in one way. Turn it on. And I'll go start up the car. So when you're done, you're going to charge it back up. It comes with this. Plug it in. You can use an iPhone or an Android charger block. Right now it's on 71%. You can use our promo code GoodLife777 and get up to 20% off. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.